Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x80070483 in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So the first step is to update your Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on update in security or Windows update and then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then check. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, perform system restore. So type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point. Now click on system restore over here, then click on next. Now over here select the date and time on which date you are not receiving the error message. Suppose you started receiving this error message today, then select the date and time for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. So select the date and time on which date you are not receiving the error message and then click on next and then click on finish. And after the system restore, log into your computer and that error should go away. Now the next step is to update Windows using Windows 10 Update Assistant, and if you have Windows 11, then use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Open this link for Windows 10 users. Here you can see Windows Update Assistant. So click on Update now, and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow, and this will load Windows Update Assistant, and it will go ahead and check for update. If you see the install option pending update, update it, and that should go ahead and fix the error. Now, if you have Windows 11, then over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So click on download now, then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Let me close the previous one. So run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now, if you see this only for few seconds, like if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not coming up, it comes for few seconds and it goes away. In that case, go to the download location and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here first and then select Windows 7 and then click on apply and then click on OK and make a double click over here. Then you will be able to see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on accept and install and let the download complete and install it, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool. So on the same website for Windows 10 users, over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on upgrade this PC now by default. So click on accept first and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install, and after the installation log into your computer and that should go ahead and fix the error. Now if you have Windows 11, then copy this link and then over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and select ISO file, then click on next. Now save it to desktop. Select desktop over here and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop. Over here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click and then over here you can see this setup file. Make a double click. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 now. Now over here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next and it will go ahead and check for update. Now again, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and this error code should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.